What's up guys, in this video I will be showcasing you how to turn on the privacy display and what are its features which you can utilize in your Galaxy S26 Ultra. There are a couple of ways to enable it. You can either go to settings, then head over to display and toggle on privacy display. Tap on it to enter the full settings menu. First, you will see conditions for turning on. We are going to go through these one by one. Now, inside apps, you can either choose all apps or specific, sensitive or important apps like social media or banking apps where the privacy display will automatically turn on as soon as you launch the app, whether you are in a public place or not. Apart from that, you can also auto-enable it for PIN, pattern or password entry. So whenever you are entering your password, your screen will appear dark to people around you or anyone trying to look over your shoulder. You can also turn it on for notification pop-ups. When notifications appear, that portion of the screen will be hidden or darkened for others nearby. Now, go back to the privacy display setting, scroll all the way down and you will find out the maximum privacy protection. Turning this on makes it even more difficult for others to read what's on your screen. You can also quickly turn this feature on or off from the quick panel settings. Just swipe down from the top of the screen, find Privacy Display and tap on it to quickly customize the basic options. Tapping over the details will redirect you back to the same setting page we just went through. And that's basically how you can turn on or off the privacy display. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for this year. Thanks for watching. Peace.